I think that the way forward, and the only way forward, is reform. Modern technology over the last 10 to 12 years has enabled us to change an awful lot of the way we can do things. I think that we can provide a lot more help online to people. We certainly can provide modern forms, part of which will involve controlling the length of what people say. The word count facility, which no doubt you know much more about than I, is an excellent means of making people concise. We can do online filing, we can do online case management, we can manage the workload better. And I hope that the reforms will also enable us to provide in-court mediation in the process of deciding a case. And I think if we do all of this, we can reduce the cost to the litigant, either by enabling him to do it himself or reducing the cost of lawyers, because the processes will be much better. We can run the courts more efficiently. And my hope, and indeed my expectation, would be that we can contain the rise, both in what the general taxpayer has to pay towards the courts, indeed I hope we can reduce it, and secondly, certainly contain the rise in fees. But it all is critical to reform. And I think I would really say that if we do not get the ability to reform the courts in the way in which we have been looking at, then there is no doubt we'll get the cuts anyway. That has been made very clear for good reasons by the government, which I completely understand. I think we'll drive people from justice because they can't afford it, and we would therefore be at real and substantial risk of breaching core principles of Magna Carta. That is why reform is absolutely essential.
And Lord Chief Justice, you